How to join someone's TikTok live. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can request to join someone's TikTok live. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to like the video and hit the subscribe button. On that note, let's get started. First thing first, you need to open up your TikTok, and from here, you just want to make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, what you need to do is go ahead and tap on your FYP or your home profile. Now, from here, what you need to do is get to the live section, which is on the top left of your screen. Tap on live, and it will directly take you to the live stream section. As you can see here, people are connecting with each other, and if there is an option to request, you can do that as you've seen here. So once you get to the live section where there are blank space available, you can just tap on request and it will send you a request like this. And if the host accepts your request, you will be able to join the live. And if you want to cancel request, you can just tap on cancel and then withdraw your request like this. So in order to request, just tap right here, and on the settings icon, who can see your live status, you can set this as well. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, the host just accepted my request as well. So that's how you can join the live stream on TikTok. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.